And done, so we're gonna move on to part 3, which is the left frame, right? Left frame. So we'll set it up here. Yeah, you can use the knife to take it off. Yeah, just snatch that off. Sit in here. Left. I don't think I got the knife and the gloves on, but that's fine. Alright, so let's make sure we got this on here right. So, put it on there. It's pretty decent. So now I'm gonna just start hitting with the heat, try to get it to mold to the front. And yeah, so I'm gonna get it come to mold to everything, and then I'll make cutouts for the mag release and slide lock release. So we'll get all that. Let's see here. So I'm gonna use my knife and make a little cut. Do a little cut for the takedown lever. And for the mag release. Alright, so now I'm just going to hit it with the heat. Gotta get it to contour to the gun on the rear, the sides, and hit it again with the sponge so I can pick up the detail in the grip. So hit it again. Yeah, I'm seeing those pretty good. Yep, and let's see. May not be perfect, but I think for my first go round, I'm doing pretty freaking good. Yes, indeed. Almost lined it up perfect. We'll hit it again. Just want to make sure I got it good. Make sure you press it pretty good. Get out as much detail as you can. And like I got like a couple of spots up here, so I'm just gonna put a piece right here. I'm just gonna kind of kick that up a little and reset it. Scratch it out. Here we begin with some heat. So, left side, looking good. All right, so here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.